Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Atri and I make videos related to makeup, skincare, hauls, reviews, etc. So if this is something interests you, make sure to subscribe to my channel. Now without any further ado, let's get started. So guys, from the title you know this one is going to be my old school review. Now I know I have not been posting videos that regularly because I don't know what has happened to me. I'm not feeling motivated enough, but since this brand launched in India, I thought of getting one product from their brand and yeah, thought of reviewing for you guys so that if any of you wants to get it, you can get a genuine review. Yeah, so without any further ado, let's get started. The product which I'm talking about, the brand which I'm talking about is Nude Sticks. Now I was not aware of Nude Sticks, but I have been following a lot of Instagram brands and there I have seen that Nude Stick is a thing, and from there I got to know that Nude Stick is also a really good company. They make a lot of products, okay? So that's why I thought of getting one product for myself. Now talking about the pricing, जो अभी Nykaa पे आपको दिखेगी, it is only available at Nykaa. So I'll say that अभी 10% off पे मिला, जो भी मिला मुझे, and then there was some offer going on. If you're getting 4000 का product, then आपको कुछ free मिलेगा, but I did not get any product 4000 ka because let's be honest, 4000 is a huge amount of money and I did not want to spend that much of money, but I wanted to get at least one thing, so out of all of that I got this one. Now this is the trio set. This is the trio set. Now this does have 3 things inside it. I will talk about it. So I really love the packaging. I mean, it looks super classy. Now this retails for somewhere around 2200, but because it was on 10% off, so I got it somewhere around 2000. So I know 2000 is also not that cheap, but still it's lesser than 4000, right? So yeah, this is how it looks like. It comes in a very nice packaging. Now let me tell you, it has a bronzer, it has a blush, and it has a highlighter. And I know you will tell me that Atri, you are wearing all of those on your face, but you know what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove my base makeup, and then I'm going to try this bare face, because let's be honest, I mean, I don't use a foundation every now and then. What I do use, I like using a little bit of bronzer, a little bit of blush. I love using that. So let me just open this. So yeah, this is how the packaging is. It comes in a very nice cute box वाला packaging, and जब आप इसको खोलोगे तो इसके अंदर आपको 3 चीजें दिख जाएंगी, and एक चीज और, it does have a mirror, so it's a really good nice quality mirror, so in which you can see your face, and whatever you want to do, you can do all the touch up. Now these are the 3 things which are there inside it. Now let me show you all of these one by one. So this is the highlighter. They say this is the highlighter, and let me tell you, this is the blush, and the last one, to my surprise, they say that this is the bronzer. And मुझे नहीं पता ये bronzer की तरह कैसे काम करेगा. I mean, I really don't know. Now let me tell you, आप इसको 3 साल तक यूज कर सकते हो. And one more thing I really want to tell you, that this has been sourced from South Korea, so it's not made in China. And इसके अंदर जो आपको 1 gram of product मिलेगा. Yeah, I think they have written 3 grams of product. बहुत छोटा लिखा है, कुछ दिख नहीं रहा. I will leave it on the screen. So इसमें हो सकता है 1 gram आपको मिलेगा, and yeah, that's it. So the highlighter shade, let me tell you, the highlighter shade is Hey Honey, and the bronze shade is Sun Kissed, and the last shade, which is the bloom shade, that is your blush shade, that is Sweet Peach Peony. So let's just do a swatch on our hands first, and then I will be doing it on my face. So let us first swatch this one. These are known as nudies. So this is how it looks like. Now when you open this, you do have very teeny amount of product here, but what I feel is this is the whole amount of product you get, but what I feel is that I'm never able to finish all of my products, so that's why it's good that if I get less product, so that I can at least use it up. So let me just swatch it here. Ooh, like this is swatching like butter. This is the highlighter. You can see this is the highlighter. This swatched like butter, like amazingly, and this is very smooth. You don't need emollient otherwise, and it is very within sort of glow. It is going to give you a within sort of glow, I'm 100% sure. Now let's just swatch the pink peony one, which is supposed to be used as blush. And here you go. Let me just show you. This is a very light peach color. This is the color. It's very light peach color, which I don't think so will be suiting Indian skin tone, like my skin tone. And the last one, which they say is a bronzer shade, let me swatch that also for you. Yeah, this is a little darker, but I don't know if it's a bronzer. I mean, this is the shade. Yeah, this is the shade, if you can see properly. What I like about all of these is that these are very, very creamy and these are very easy to blend. So blending wise, I don't think so you're going to face any problem. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove the makeup of one side of my face. I'm going to show you how this is going to work. This is my bare face. I don't have anything on this side of my face. So the very first thing which I'm going to use is the bronzer. So this is the bronzer. This is supposed to be used as a bronzer. So let me just see if I can use this as a bronzer. I don't have anything right now. I mean, it appears to me as a pink blush. I mean, mauve pink blush. But I really love the color. I mean, it is giving me a little bit of sun-kissed look. If you can tell, it does have a little bit of shine to it, which I don't mind. And it's very, very easy to blend with your fingers. It's super duper easy. Now I'm going to swatch the blush on my cheek. So I love using blush over here. Now you see the color is hardly visible on my face, but I'm sure if you are of medium or fair skin tone, this is going to show up. Now I can't see any color. Can you see any color? I don't think so. And these are like super creamy. I mean, you can see even here it is like super duper emollient. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to apply the bronzer a little bit, because I'm really not happy with the blush. Okay. Now lastly, actually if you are wearing only these two, these are also giving you such a glow, such a glowy face. Now I'm going to use the highlighter in the end. The highlighter is also super pretty. It is just giving me a little bit of shine, a little bit of glow, and my face is glowing all over. So you tell me how you guys liked it. I mean, I am really liking it. I mean, this side of my face has the powder products, but here you can see I have a little bit of bronzer, I have a little bit of blush and highlighter. So I think this side of face is looking really, really natural, I will say. So these products are very, it seems very natural, as if you haven't applied anything. So for that purpose, I think these are really, really good. The only disappointment is the blush, because I think it does not have any color, like at least for me. But will I recommend this? Yes, I will recommend this, but not on its full price. Please wait for some sale. I'm sure Nude Stick will be having sale at least 30%, so you can buy it like on 30%, then that is okay. But the price is also okay in India. It's not too much. And what I feel is that these are really, really quality products. I mean, after using them, you get to know that yes, these are quality products. These are not some cheap products which is going to ruin your skin. So yeah, that's about it. I hope you guys enjoyed my short review, and I personally liked it, and it is really good if you are having very dry skin. It is going to give you that moisture which it is giving me right now. So I'm really, really happy with this. So definitely I would recommend this, but please buy it only if you need it. Okay, do not buy it as a just like me. So yeah, that's about it. I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, you guys take care.